Welcome once again. It's about Teuna Classic once again. Yeah, in the past 7 days, Teuna Classic have now hit about 8.88% increase in price. Remember, as of last week, they're able to hit about 4.49, and I'm happy that number really increased. Maybe because remember BTC, we saw BTC rising about 2 days ago, pumping massively, and so many coins followed same trend. Now Teuna Classic in the past 7 days, okay, is now hitting a lot of rise. I'm happy that Teuna Classic have also maintained this rise at least for the past almost 2 weeks, which is good. And they also benefited from this rise because they are, according to Teuna Classic market cap, over $38 million has been pumped into Teuna Classic, at least within the past 7 days. So that is good to see that people have actually invested. So I have just hoped to see this coin rising more, and I hope to see over at least $200 million being pumped into Teuna Classic before the end of this month. Yes, we can do it. We still have few days, almost a week to go. So I still believe that Teuna Classic can shock us this month, hitting almost $750 or $800 million market cap. LNC. What I believe is, once there is a constant rise, once there is a constant improvement, once there is a constant increase in the price of Teuna Classic, we will keep recording high trading volume. We will keep recording huge market cap. We will keep recording good news about Teuna Classic. So it means that Teuna Classic is on the right track. Okay, it's on the right track. So what they need now is to just improve all the areas of Teuna Classic, starting towards the burning, also starting towards the social, getting to do more adverts for Teuna Classic, people to know Teuna Classic, and also looking towards Teuna Classic NFT. Okay, yes, they need to also go towards NFT, try to bring out Teuna Classic NFT to improve this coin. People get to know more about Teuna Classic, and I believe with such, LNC will keep on increasing. I'm going to record over 300% increase in the trading of Teuna Classic, more than what the Teuna Classic is trading right now. So let's keep on supporting Teuna Classic LNC. But remember, this video, please, I'm not a financial advisor, so this is not a financial advice, so kind of do your own research before taking any decisions. Thank you for stopping by.